Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pesto risotto. Start by gathering your key ingredients for a delicious pesto risotto. You'll need about 1.5 cups of arborio rice, 4 to 5 cups of warm vegetable broth, and a generous half cup of your favorite fresh basil pesto. Don't forget 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and about 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Also, have on hand 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of dry white wine, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. To begin building our flavor base, finely chop 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until it becomes translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and the 1.5 cups of arborio rice, toasting the rice for about 2 minutes until the edges are slightly transparent. Now for the classic risotto method. Pour in 1/4 cup of dry white wine, stirring constantly until it's fully absorbed. This deglazes the pot and adds a lovely depth of flavor. Next, begin adding your warm vegetable broth, 1 ladleful at a time, which is typically about half a cup. Stir continuously, allowing the rice to absorb each addition of liquid before adding the next. This process develops the creamy texture we love. After about 20 to 25 minutes, when the rice is al dente and the risotto is wonderfully creamy, remove it from the heat. Stir in a generous half cup of fresh basil pesto, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Mix gently until everything is well combined and the butter and cheese have melted, creating a rich, velvety finish. Serve your delicious pesto risotto immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra Parmesan or a fresh basil leaf.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.